Hey guys, if you're in the market for a garbage disposal replacement or you just want a new one, I'm a big fan of these Badger ones. So when it comes out of that box, you'll get the parts kit, the top, which will screw into your sink, just kind of for demonstration purposes. I, however, don't need this. It's great to always have, but because I'm just doing a simple replacement, this is the main thing and product. So this is the garbage disposal, nice solid weight. The bottom here is metal. So that is also awesome and great down here. And it does come with the chuck key. So if it does get jammed up, you can open it. There's also a reset button. So there are a couple different variations. This one does come with the plug, so that's another big benefit. And this is what I primarily got it for, because for me, I already have this, so I'm just replacing it. So because this is already on my sink, I'll pop the old one off, put the new one in, and I will start then to torque this on till it catches. There we go. And it can take a little bit of finagling, but you can see there where it will clip in, and that's all you have to do is twist it, good to go. So strongly recommend. Over here you have for your dishwasher discharge, you will need to pop this tab out so it can drain directly into the garbage disposal. But overall, really straightforward. Really like this. Been having it for years, and this is just a simple replacement for us. So if you're in the market and need a garbage disposal, I really recommend this Badger 1.